Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Caregivers medical app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Caregivers is a medical staffing app designed to connect nurses, caregivers, and healthcare professionals with open shifts at partnered facilities. It focuses on simplifying the process of finding flexible work, allowing healthcare workers to browse available shifts, view pay rates, and accept opportunities directly through the app. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports multiple types of licensed medical professionals depending on the region. The app's main feature is its shift matching interface. Healthcare providers can search for open roles, check requirements, confirm shift details, and clock in or out digitally. It also allows users to track earnings, manage schedules, upload credentials, and receive notifications for new or urgent openings. Caregivers aims to reduce manual scheduling and make staffing more efficient for both facilities and caregivers. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its quick onboarding process, clear pay information, and the ability to choose when and where they want to work. The rating and review system for workers helps maintain professionalism, and the in-app credential management is useful for compliance. Facilities also benefit from faster fill rates and verified staff. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report limited availability of shifts depending on the area, and pay rates can vary widely based on the facility. The verification process may take time, and occasional technical issues, such as delayed notifications or login problems, have been reported. Since it depends heavily on local facility partnerships, the experience can differ significantly by city. In summary, the Caregivers app may be worth using if you want a flexible way to pick up healthcare shifts, manage your credentials digitally, and track earnings in one place. However, if you live in an area with fewer partnered facilities or prefer fixed scheduling, it might not be the ideal option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.